G'day, how you going? Welcome back to another episode of Go and Walk About with Uncle Benny. What a lovely day we have down here at STANAGE Bay today, guys. The water, she's flattened right on off. It's gonna be a perler. So I reckon we just mosey on up this sound, check these crab pots, and hopefully we get ourselves another big elusive STANAGE Bay buck. You never know our luck. We had a little bit of a shower last night. It might stir them big buggers on up. Now, I went to the survey yesterday, Arvo, to fill up the boat. Had myself a bit of a plugger blowout, I did. Now, the price of fuel, I had to choose between a new set of pluggers. We're going crabbing. Now, I don't think it takes a rocket scientist to figure out what we chose. Let's go crabbing! Let's get ourselves up in STANAGE Bay, guys! Let's get on up the sound! Woohoo! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Oh, we made it, guys. We have made it. Now, I noticed yesterday when I was doing a little bit of my editing, my little bum jacket here made it look like I had a bit of a tail, it did. Like I was some sort of a monkey out here crabbing. So I tucked that tail on in the front. We ain't gonna have that problem today. Alright, alright. Tide's still got plenty to come up today, it does, guys. I'm here a little bit early, but that's alright. We'll just sneak on up past this next section, and there's our pot just dangling in the trees up there. Come on, big buck. Really got to stop pushing on through the groves like this, guys. I just can't help myself. That's where all the big bucks are at. Come on, big buck. Ourselves up a little bit. We've got here. Oofa! We've got a couple of big bucks. Oh! I'm just gonna back ourselves up in here, guys. Sit, Bobo. Sit. Maybe we go back a little bit further. And now when we're ready to leave, we can just shoot on out that way. But let's sort these big bucks on out, guys. Hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Have a go at these boys! Oh, dang! Oof. Come here, big fella. Oofa! This fella, he is cheeky bugger. He threw his flipper on me, he did. That's the best place to grab a hold of him. Safest place. Come on, mate. Alrighty. Yes, sir. He's nice and full, this guy. He's no monster STANAGE Bay buck, but have a go at him. He is still a good mud crab. I'll throw the measure stick on him for you guys. See, have a go at that. And that's not even a monster mud crab here. That's just a mud crab. God dang! Let's sort him on out. Let's get that Crab King Pro cuff on him. Or as my mate Stephanie says, let's get that nappy on that boy. Come on up here, because I noticed he couldn't quite see very well yesterday. We'll ram them claws on in the ground there. Get on in there. Wrap him on up. Give him a double wrap just for security. Voila! Lovely big STANAGE Bay buck. What do we got here? This fella, he only got one claw, this dog. What you gonna do with that, eh? Oof! Have a go at him. He is full too. Show you guys. Hey, plenty legal. He is coming home with us. I know he's only got one claw. I only got one mouth, so it don't matter none. Let's cuff this boy up. Oofa. Bit awkward with the one claw. Doesn't want to sit on the ground very level, but that's all right. There we go. Pop him on in there. Pop that up there. Give him that security wrap. What a cracker of the way to start the day, guys. 2 STANAGE Bay bucks. And this reminds me, we still got yesterday's buck in here. Give that boy a little bit of a drink. Back in the well he goes. And well, these two fellas here, back in the well they go with him. Oh, what a cracker of a day. Righto, we're gonna bait this pot back up, get him out, and we'll zip on round and check the other 3 pots. Hopefully we can't get ourselves a couple more bucks. Fair dinkum, guys. I am living the absolute dream. Life doesn't get any better than this. That there is why STANAGE Bay is my favourite place in all of Queensland to catch mud crabs. I love this place with an absolute passion, in case you guys haven't been able to tell. Righto, let's go check pot number 2, guys. Woohoo! Oh, I'm excited. We're just sneaking through the groves, sneaking up on pot number 2. Sneaky, sneaky. Nice and quiet. We'll get ourselves a big buck. Ah, bugger it. Come home, big buck. Where you at, big mate? Where you at? Come on. Just zip on in here. Woohoo! What do you reckon, boyo? Get ourselves a big buck or what? Come on! Absolutely nothing. We'll move this one along a little bit and see if we can't get ourselves a crab in pot number 3. Rightio, we just moved pot number 2 around, and I just got a message from my nephew's father. They're out mud crabbing too, the mad buggers. The only thing better than Uncle Benny cleaning up on the big bucks here at STANAGE Bay is seeing footage of my little nephew enjoying the same thing Uncle Benny loves with an absolute passion. Here, I'll flick a few photographs on up for you. Check him on out. He's a mad little bugger. Righto, righto, let's go see what we got in pot number 3.
I got this morning, Uncle Benny. It's a big buck.
There we're just moseying on through the groves to pot number 3. I still can't believe my little nephew's caught a few mud crabs this morning, the mad bugger. Hey, I hope you and your dad enjoy them crabs, buddy. Well done, Chefo. There's some good crabs, mate. Righto, now let's find this sneaky little pot. Hey, I found the pot. Too busy yapping I was. I drove straight past it. But that's alright. We done that so we could do a turnaround manoeuvre and just get ready to zip on out of there, we did. I lied, but that's what we're saying. Righto, righto. What you think, boyo? Big buck or what? Come on, big buck. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, yes! We have another big STANAGE Bay buck. Have a go at him. Let's get this fella out. Oh, he is angry, this guy. He's full of anger this morning. Well, we just wake you up, mate. You're just having a nap. Come on, I know you want to bite me. Let go of that claw, mate. You don't want to go anywhere, this fella. There we go. Them legs out of there. Come on, dude. What are you doing to me, mate? Hey? Cracker of a crab he is. He is feisty, this one. Feisty, feisty, feisty. And again, more than legal, my friends. More than legal. Let's wrap him on up. Whack him down there like that. These Crab King Pro cuffs, guys, they're an absolute game changer. Especially for a knucklehead like myself, who can't tie knots. Get back up there, you cheeky bugger. Hey? Alright, I got you. Now I know they say if you can't tie knots, tie lots. But these things here, they're just going to save you so much time, so much effort, and you got yourself tied up mud crab that you can safely handle. Now let's get him in the well, rebait this pot up, and we'll zip on over to pot number 4. And hope we got ourselves another big buck, guys. Dead set, guys. I got a smile from ear to ear. Ain't nothing gonna wipe that off this morning. Don't even matter if we catch another buck in this next pot or not, but by Struth, it'd be good, wouldn't it? Hey, fair income, guys. This is exactly why I love STANAGE Bay so much. I just cruise around out here on the sacred waters, catching my tucker every day. Life don't get any better than when you catch your own tucker. You just need to get on out here and experience it for yourself. Here we are, moseying up on the last pot, guys. Pot number 4. Come on, big buck. Back her up, girl, back her up. What we got here? Come on, get on up there. Oh, we got ourselves a tiddler. He might be just legal, but hey, we all know what they say about just legal bucks here in the Bay of STANAGE. Just legal ain't legal. Go on, get on out of there. Hey. Come on, buddy. Right, I'll throw a measure stick on him just to have a gander. And just as I expected, whoopsie daisies, he spat his flipper. They're fiery little buggers this morning, I tell you what. Now you see here, guys, he is just legal. But in the Bay of Stanage, just legal ain't legal. Now when you have a comparison of the two crabs, you can see why here in Stanage Bay we throw back them just legal mud crabs. They ain't no good to us here. We'll keep them back home. But here in the Bay of Stanage, we just stick to the land of the giants. Righto guys, let's go throw ourselves this cast net a little bit. Might flicker through a few lures along the way and see if we can't get ourselves some live bait and perch ourselves on up, and maybe we get ourselves another fish, eh? I'll catch yous out there. The big sea eagle just cruising on off, guys. We're just moseying up along here. We're going to chuck this crab pot out elsewhere, and then we're going to zip around and catch that live bait, eh? Now I reckon tomorrow we might rip these crab pots on out, because we got more crabs than we can poke a stick at, I tell you what. And maybe Saturday, I don't know, we'll see how this old body feels. It's pretty worn out. But if I can muster up the energy, we're gonna mosey on out to Marble Island again, guys. See if we can't get ourselves a bigger coral trout. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! We just take in everything Stanage Bay has to offer this time, guys. Leave fully rejuvenated. I'm excited. Righto, guys. As you can see, I've torn my cast net from arsehole to breakfast time. Gosh dang it. Them's are the breaks, you can't win them all. I did get myself a couple of little herring as live bait before this mishap happened. So we're just gonna mosey on over and find ourselves somewhere to perch on up and see if we can't catch ourselves a fish. Later on I might get myself some fishing line out and put my sewing skills to the test. Be a bit more like a drunken pirate's done it, but if I can stitch this up well enough to just be able to throw here and there again, I mean, I'll be laughing, because these things, they cost you an arm and a leg. I mean, this one's lasted me about 4 years, but hey, if I can get another couple of months out of it, I bloody damn well will. That I can guarantee you. Now let's mosey on off and find ourselves somewhere to fish, guys. Righto guys, much the same as the mullet, we just hook him through the tail there and we fling him on out. Easy peasy. Now we just wait. And in the meantime, one of the young fellas at the Stanage Bay boat ramp, he was obsessed with my frogs. He gave me one of these, 2 of these actually, sorry. And I let him use one of my frogs, and he says to me, I guarantee you'll catch a big fish on them ones. Well, we'll see, young fella, we'll see. Thank you very much. Turns out we're not having the greatest luck with the fishing today. But I suppose that's why they call it fishing, not catching, eh? Never mind, we got ourselves a cracker of a feed of crabs in the well there. We'll throw one on the coals for dinner tonight, I reckon, guys. We just got to get ourselves back to camp in a couple of hours and we'll get that fire on the go. And Bob's your uncle, we'll be laughing. Might even throw a damper on there, eh, for dessert. Spoil ourselves. Somebody's got to spoil us. Who am I kidding? Mother Nature's spoiled us the whole time we've been here at Stanage Bay. All these glorious Stanage Bay bucks. Don't get much more spoilt than that, guys. Well, I'm just going to keep on keeping on, and I'll see you guys a little bit later on. Whoop. Cheeky, cheeky. Mangrove, not a fish. We got a hook up on the larvae, guys. Ooh, this one was weighted down. I got the other one out floating. Oh, what do we got here? Ooh. have we got? Got some weight about it, whatever it is. Oof. Got some size about it. What have we got there? I think it's a shark. Yes, sir, Bob, that is a shark. Little black tip reefy. The beauty. Have a go at this rod, guys. She's only a light one. Hey, pulling in a nice shark. Now this guy, he's lucky that my freezer is quite full. Because Uncle Benny actually quite likes eating shark, I do. Come on, buddy. You're only going to have a quick visit. I just want my hook back. That's all, dude. There you have it, guys. Nice little black tip reefy. Hey, ooh, we better get him back in before I accidentally lose myself a finger. All right. Now have a go at this. This is one of the sucker fish that hang on to those sharks. He was actually sucking onto the back of that big fella. I'll get him back in the water. Have a good day, my friend. All right. Woo! That might have only been a shark, but god dang, they're fun to catch. We got enough tucker anyway, guys. Let's get back to it and see if we can't get ourselves a fish. If we get something decent, we'll use the old think tank. We'll have a think about it, decide whether to keep it or not. But at the moment, we're just happy cruising along with our mud crab. Yeah! Dead set, guys. Have a go at that. Some STANAGE Bay crackers in there. You beauty! You little ripper! Hey, are you happy with that or what, my boy? What a cracker of a day. Out here at STANAGE Bay. Righto, guys, we didn't have the best of luck out fishing, but hey, you get that on the big jobs, eh? We got that shark that put up a hell of a fight, and sometimes that's all you need. We got enough tucker in the well for a few days, so let's mosey on back to camp, light this fire on up, and we'll cook ourselves a couple of mud crabs on the coals. Catch you guys over there. Bye bye. Bye bye. Woohoo! Righto, guys, we're land based again. We got the fire cranking. We've dug ourselves a nice little trench here to put his lovely little bed of coals for him to go to sleep on. But hey, we ain't cruel buggers. Let's put this big buck out of his misery. So if you don't want to see this, guys, look away. We've got the trusty old Crab Slayer 2000. Ciao! Ciao! Alrighty. Now when you cook a crab on a bed of coals, guys, it's ideal to cook them upside down. That way, it's not going to get any of the juices dribbling down through the meat on you. just going to steam in its own shell. Now let's get this bed of coals sorted out. Oh, she's smoky. Rightio. Let's get old mate's nappy off him. We'll put this big fella on his bed of coals. Tuck him in. There you go. Sleep tight, my friend. And in about 15 minutes, we'll have ourselves a good feed of mud crab there, guys. I'd lose my damn head if it wasn't screwed on. Nearly forgot dessert. We'll whack the damper straight on the coals there too. Go on, tuck him in. Night night. See you in about 15 minutes too, my friend. And just like that, guys, our tucker is ready. Hey, the old damper, you just pat him on through your hands a little bit like this. Get rid of a bit of that loose coal on him. We'll go throw him up over here. Let that bugger cool down a little bit, eh? Oof, the mud crab. Get him off. We've got a bucket of water here to try cool him down a little bit. It's too dang big for the bucket. Now I don't know, it might be a bit too hot for us still, but let's try pull him apart. Oop, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Righty. Should have grabbed myself 2 plates out, I should have. I'll be right back. Get away from there, flies. That's my tucker. Alrighty, we'll take off his the lungs and everything. Breaking him off. Flick that gunk out. And now, because Uncle Benny likes his crab chilled, I'm going to whack this in the refrigerator for probably maybe an hour, and then we're going to hook on into this. I'll see you guys at dinner time. You know what, guys? I'm so hungry, I could eat the arse out of a low-flying duck. So we might do all this back to front. We'll have dessert first, and then we'll just do the star of the dish last. Righto. Enjoy the campfire, take in the view, while we wait for our mud crab to cool on down, bud. What do you reckon? Thanks to old mate who left me all this firewood. I'm terribly sorry, mate. I've got a memory like a sieve. horrible with names. But you know exactly who you are. So you'll be able to tell your mates, I was the one that left that knucklehead firewood. The least he could have done was remember my name. Very sorry. Bad income, guys. If you haven't thrown your damper straight on the coals, it puts the cob grill damper to shame. Throw it on the coals and enjoy yourself a proper campfire damper. We're going to take in the view. What do you reckon, bud? You want some too? Of course you do. A little hungry hippo. Righto guys, we've got our 3 crabs here. Morton, Morton and Morton. We might have them all tied up like prisoners of war, but we ain't treat them like that around here. We just got back from a swim. Took them down the boat ramp, had a little dip. We're gonna whack these back in the well and we're gonna eat his brother. Believe it or not, that's Morton too. Catch us in a minute. Righto guys, he's all cooled off. Have a go at him. Absolutely beautiful. You won't find this in no 5-star restaurant, that's for sure. That is unreal. Nice and smoky. Ooh, so juicy too. Now if you guys have liked what you've seen today, hit that subscribe button, flick that bell, and I'll see you guys on my next adventure. Join me tomorrow as we go collect these crab pots, and Saturday, hopefully we shoot on out to Marble Island. It's Uru for now guys. Catch you on the next one.